Hey guys, it's Shen from North Hill Mazda. Let me go ahead and take you guys on our test drive route. Make sure you guys understand how the vehicle works. What we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take you to certain areas that we go to test drive the vehicle. Right now on this test drive route, we're gonna go ahead and try out the brakes, try going on a hill, as well as try out some steering. Now what we're gonna do is just gonna test drive it going downhill here, right? Now keep in mind, I will be stopping here from time to time just to kind of see how the stop feels. All right, so we're about to stop in about 3 seconds here. Okay, as you can see on a hill, came to a nice stop, right? No sliding, nothing, right? Very responsive, right? And now we're gonna go over to this right side here and go ahead and take it on the off-road, well, not off-roading, but parking lot portion of the test drive here, and see how it feels in very quick, abrupt stops. Okay, this is an area that we take customers to test drive or to try out the brakes for the vehicle. As you can see, it's very safe here. Not many people, right? And therefore you can even try out the steering. Now what we're gonna try out today is we're gonna try driving a little bit with speed and then seeing how well it stops. Our Mazda products do respond very well when it comes to stopping, as well as accelerating, right? So here, we'll go ahead and take it, try it out right now. Now that right there, right, stopped, right? Keep in mind it did slide a little bit, reason being is because there is snow, right? This is an all-wheel drive car, so it does stop it does have winter tires, sorry, and it does stop very well in comparison to other cars. And here we'll even do a little turnaround just to see how it feels turning in a little bit higher speeds here too. Okay, perfect, made that radius turn. Here we'll go ahead and accelerate and stop again just to see how that feels. Oh, there you go, that right there, even better stop right in snow. All right guys, so we just finished up the acceleration and brakes. We're gonna head over to the highway, see how Mazda products feel on higher speeds. Looks like we made it here to the highway, right? We're just gonna go around the bend here. This is a really good spot to test the steering as well. As you can see, you know, you hold it one spot and it just keeps on going, very smooth, very easy. There's no push or pull back or anything like that, right? We're about to accelerate here. See how it feels getting up to about 100 here. We're gonna see if you could take it slow a little bit and then hit the acceleration. All right, guys, so. Perfect. Now, as you can see, right, with our Mazda products, we offer the turbo, right? This managed to accelerate pretty quick here. I'm gonna see if I can get into the left. Oh, no, I'll go ahead and stay in this lane here. Just kind of be wary, right? Let me go ahead and pass this guy here, right? Gets that nice pickup, right? Got the guts, as well as very smooth, right? Very easy, quiet ride as we're driving down the highway here, right? As you can see, I can even let go of the steering wheel a little bit and it doesn't move or go anywhere, right? It does keep itself centered and straight as much as it can with the crowning of the roads, right? One thing I do want to mention as well is that all of our Mazdas come equipped with the blind spot monitoring, right? When there's someone in your blind spot here, I'll go ahead and see if we can get someone in a blind spot here, see if I can get that activated for us, right? But they all come equipped with the blind spot monitoring. As you can hear the blind spot there, just let me know that there's someone on my side here. All right guys, just want to let you know that as we're cruising down 16th here, right, it's a cold day today, right? All of our Mazdas come with air heated seats, right, just to keep you warm. You get this on the entry level all the way up to the top line. Now this is really good, especially in Calgary here, guys. We're gonna go and show you the backup camera when we arrive. Now that we're back, right, I just want to make sure we point out the backup camera here, guys, right? All of our Mazdas come equipped with this feature here. Makes it easier for you to park, nice and consistent, right? As you can see, there is lines, keeps it nice and tight, very easy to remember, very easy to navigate and park, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for coming on the test drive. We look forward to taking you guys on the test drive here and doing this for yourselves. Thank you.